Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us for our weekend weather update brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, across the weekend it's looking fairly settled. We do have a rain band coming in for Sunday, but of course it's Guy Fawkes on Saturday night. People are going to be out lighting a lot of fireworks and the weather doesn't look too unsettled. So whether you love it or hate it, we're going to drill down and find out what's going on. Here's the satellite map for Friday. We've got a bit of cloud coming in out of the Southern Ocean and a few showers up here in the north. One or two were a little bit heavy, but we've got plenty of sunny spells coming through. And in fact, as we move in towards the weekend, the westerlies are going to be pretty much the main theme. Might be a little bit more nor'east for some of you around Canterbury, but for just about everybody else, westerly quarter winds. So they might start off westerly and then as the weekend goes on, tilting around to the northerly side a bit more, and then ending the weekend with the west to southwest change that comes through behind the cold front. So as we go in towards Saturday, this is how it looks. Yes, plenty of showers around that western coastline right up to about Auckland. Now with Guy Fawkes, it's going to be fairly dry towards evening and also not a lot of wind. There will be winds coming in a little bit around Cook Strait, but for most places, it won't be a windy evening. So that could be a little bit of a nightmare maybe for some of the firefighters out there. So please just keep in mind, some areas are much drier than they should be at this time of the year. Canterbury is one of those areas, and there are now parts of the North Island which are dry or drier than average. So just keep that in mind. If you're setting fireworks off, just be aware of that. And of course, my big thing, animals. Keep in mind the dogs, the cats, the horses, things like that, who, you know, they get spooked by fireworks, particularly some of the loud ones. So just bear that in mind over Saturday with the weather not being too unsettled. It'll be one of the more drier weekends, I think, for Guy Fawkes. Now, as we go in towards Sunday, it looks pretty unsettled, but this is the lunchtime snapshot. So in the morning, it is still fairly dry and settled, which is why we're thinking Saturday night will be a pretty good night if you're wanting a dry, calm, mild evening. But as we go into Sunday, the nor'westers do pick up, the winds pick up. So don't delay your fireworks till Sunday, do them on Saturday, because by the time you get to Sunday, the winds are picking up and the rain clouds are coming back in, and it could be quite wet. Might even be some Mother Nature's fireworks with a couple of thunderstorms maybe in that front. And we'll end on Monday where we've got showers and the front clearing away. It's a little bit cooler on Monday, not a lot cooler, but a little bit, with the winds turning west to southwest, away from the northerly quarter ones that we had on Sunday. But look, behind the scenes, more westerlies, more fronts, and they're coming right through till about the middle of November. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long, 10-day forecast, go to Sky Channel 081 for Country TV or visit countrytv.co.nz.